When we stand in front of an audience, we are representing our personal brand and our firm's brand. People evaluate us and our companies based on how we perform. Bring your passion and commitment to the topic. Typically, we speakers enter a room full of preoccupied people with microscopically short attention spans. Our opening needs to be well planned and attention grabbing. We will have rehearsed our talk at least 3 times to make sure it flows well and fits the time slot. The slides will be so clear that our audience can deduce the key points of each slide in 2 seconds. Each audience member gets around about 6 seconds of eye contact as we make our points. We are backing up our eye contact with our gestures of voice modulation and pauses. At the end, our presentation should rise to a peak, delivering our call to action and encouraging our audience to metaphorically storm the barricades. We need to bring our energy to the finish and leave a positive memory of our talk.